Group or a social movement that's led by a charismatic leader.
We can peacefully do this. I wouldn't be here if I didn't believe we could. That is my hope. That is my goal. Though the federal government, many of them in that position or in those positions, do not recognize the Constitution of the United States as sovereign, I do.
The group has some form of indoctrination program, sometimes called thought reform.
Or mind control.
Do solemnly swear that I will support and defend the Constitution of the United States.
The collective's very sense of self is under attack by the world, and the only way to salvage one's identity is to come together under the leadership of this charismatic authority.
People like you don't understand that if this goes to violence, your life, as you have known it, is forever gone. The way I'm trying to accomplish this, we can continue to live in a peaceful fashion.
Rather than providing guidelines for members to live better lives, a cult seeks to directly control them, from personal and family relationships to financial assets and living arrangements. Cults also demand obedience to human leaders, who tend to be highly persuasive people with authoritarian and narcissistic streaks, motivated by money, sex, power, or all three.
But if victory is won in the battle for freedom, it will be because strong hearts and great patriots are led by the almighty hand of an almighty God.
Pleased to meet you. Hope you guessed